Ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kala keren da ka bating yung nong yalam kalyang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma halor ke Jingkynnoh ba ka don ke khaïi bat ke ti Be-aiñ ka bashir khai bhai u Dewiong ha ka jalla ka baong ba kum nong yalam u badan shisha ke jingkit khli ulade ban pendep shua ya baro ke jurem ba ula sedang bat hadin kane ban sapha eka kai phot ka be dai bat ke shem jong u sa ka Sarkar jalla bakan yo shim khiam mar hakabante lakam yakan nikakam bomman.
Kani ke Jingkynnoh kalamin u Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke jelah ba Presiden Tensong habi ke Jingkynnoh jong unong ilam kaliang persya na ke jinglet jurep jinglet wat ke jaga pelang Dewiong ba Be-aiñ batmu ban lilam ke badan South Garo Hills bat East Janja Hills. Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke jelah ulong ba kani ke Jingkynnoh jong Dr. Mukul Sangma hakilat pathai kubor kadai ka bam sngowi hap satya habaong bahaga jing shisha unong ilam kaliang persya ulah de ban pendep shua ya ki jing jurep ula sedang bat ban sapha da ka kai phot ka Sarkar bakan yo ban le ka badan kam la ka don ne em ka jing khaïi bat ka jing ti Be-aiñ u Dewiong halor kani ke Jingkynnoh bakadan ka jing sela ban khaïi Be-aiñ u Dewiong Symbud Myntri Rangbah ulong ba Dr. Mukul Sangma u de ubrio batip bahai kini ki ai baro namar deh ka por budang long Myntri Rangbah ke jelah ba prasnem ba ka National Green Tribunal kala khang sendan ni ke jing ti ba jing khaïi u Dewiong ha ke jelah uba Presiden Tensong ula pensyairu ba ke Jingkynnoh ba penslam ke Sarkar ban IT u Dewiong syaka Coal India Limited bakan lilam kalong ka bam shisha satya ha ba penpau ba ke Sarkar jelahi kamdan benta satya ha kene ka kam nrei ke ke National Green Tribunal ka bahab ban ajing menjor ke action plan ban la ban dilam no inu mar po kendo balai pu arlak metric ton bal ajing ken syaka National Green Tribunal bat syaka yang syari Supreme Court ula pensyairu ik jingkam u Dr. Mukul Sangma ba u Dewiong dan satya hadok lai pu arlak metric ton bal ajing ken ke Sarkar habaong ba kumno unu nong elam kaliang persya unlap inu mar po kendo haba ke jing jurip ju kalong tang harut surok syaki klau gi betap Uloong ba ke Sarkar kanang ap mentai ke jing menjor jong National Green Tribunal yak action plan bat hadian kania kan sawan ralut ya baro u Dewiong na klau ban bo shijaka hagi dumping ground ban penyat yo yo
nga ngakwa ban chuang tamai we are waiting for the report okay because now the leader of opposition himself is conducting inspection to all these areas so still I don't just believe in the statement he made through the media or through the press. So I am sure, being a responsible leader of opposition, he will also give us some report and his finding, whatever, so that action will be taken accordingly. So the question of conspiracy, the question of criminal conspiracy, I think at this juncture, he cannot just jump to a conclusion. So the last point where he was saying about a delay tactic done by the state government as far as auction of coal is concerned. In fact, kani kam day ban ongka kam ha pa jurisdiction juni because the Supreme Court komo pi kala ai order baka Coal India ka sale ka kam but yakataru under the supervision jong ka NGT but ki meetings kanno telishu ki ba nakaliang state government ka Coal India ki syong bat ka NGT di hadu menta kam patkut kaneka meeting ke syong ke jing prepare ki action plan thik pathik kani kadang ya checkman they please again hakabade when issue don't come to a conclusion banging la yakada delaying tactics rengingi kwa ban le no wood ban dispose of but ban action no then the yakani komopi ultimately we are subjected to the approval of the NGT